Hello and welcome to Musical Architects. My name is Mark Dold. Thank you so much for taking the time to check out this course. I don't want to waste your time, so let's find out if this course might be something for you. What are we going to do here? In a nutshell, we're going to write, produce, mix and master a song from the very basic idea to the very end, a releasable final product. But how do we do that? Let me start off by asking you a question. Have you ever been touched or moved by music? Of course you have, you wouldn't be here otherwise. But isn't it interesting that most people would say yes? No matter what culture or upbringing, what level of income they grew up in, music is an essential part of our lives. And what I think is even more exciting than being touched by music is creating music that touches or moves other people. Now, how do we do that effectively? We need to know the tools, we need to understand what music is made of, and it's a creative part and it's a technical part. It's skill and it's talent, if you will, coming together, like in any art form. You might remember those times when you learned for a test in school and the moment you passed the test, you forgot all the information. I don't want this to be a class like that. I want this to be a hands-on workshop. Yes, you're going to learn some technical skills, but you learn them to help yourself express yourself better as a songwriter, producer, composer, whatever you do. So by now you might wonder what qualifies me to tell you about these things. I was fortunate enough to work with many major artists. I was always an independent artist releasing my own songs. I got more than 4,000 placements on film and TV shows with my own music. And I was always an educator. Over the last 10 years or so, I was teaching at a college in Hollywood, California, young and upcoming musicians how to use a DAW, how to record their projects and better their songwriting. I also saw what many students are struggling with. We all have something I call pockets of knowledge. We might be really good at one aspect, like melodies, but we might not be good at chords or beats to make a holistic, complete project work. So join me on this journey of writing, producing, mixing, mastering a song from the very beginning to the very end. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this is for you and I hope to see you on the inside. I'm excited to write a song with you.